You are going to love the 2024 Cadillac XT4. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power liftgate, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, Bluetooth, smart device integration, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, security system, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO,